Well, hi there, everybody, and good Friday morning to you. Meteorologist Travis Klineski here. A little cloudy, a little foggy to start things off. A transition day today as a cold front makes its way through. Haven't seen a lot of precipitation so far this morning, but it could spark off some showers and thunderstorms. The best chance will come actually later on today. That front coming through the Tri-Cities during the middle part of the day. We'll see winds kick in behind that front out of the north and the northwest. Again, best chance of showers and storms this afternoon in eastern and southern portions of the viewing area. Some strong to severe storms not out of the question. Further to the west and north, we'll start to clear up those skies later on this afternoon. As skies completely clear up this evening, the winds will eventually die back. It will be quite cool tonight, 40s and 50s for lows. Even some chilly 30s out west where some patchy frost is possible out in the panhandle of Nebraska. Tomorrow, plenty of sunshine and a spectacular Saturday. Mild 70s for highs, a few extra afternoon clouds, some fair weather clouds out there, and not too much wind, so really a nice day for your Saturday. Risk of severe weather today in the southern and eastern portions of the viewing area, mostly south and east of the Tri-Cities. Large hail, damaging winds will be the main threats. Not looking at a ton of severe weather, but can't rule it out later on this afternoon or during the very early evening hours. Temperatures for today, topping out in the upper 60s, low to mid 70s up north. Again, a small chance of rain early and then clearing coming in later on in the day. It will become breezy behind that front. Same story out west. We'll see some clearing out there later on today after some early clouds and fog. Low to mid 70s for highs. Mid to upper 70s in the south. A chance of some showers and storms. The best chance in northern Kansas. Otherwise, winds kicking in this afternoon, and winds will also kick in later on today in the east. The best chance of rain will be to the east. Showers and storms, maybe some severe weather. Mid to upper 70s to lower 80s. A possibility for highs. And forecast for some Friday night football, including our game of the week between Hershey and Doniphan Trumbull in Class C2. That's at Doniphan. Temperatures around 70 to start the game, 60 by the end of the game. Should be a lot of clearing taking place late this afternoon into this evening. So wind's probably the biggest issue for that game and most of our games. Now, the rain chance for our Seward and Norris game, that's out there in southern Lancaster County in Class B between the Blue Jays and the Titans. The rain chance should hopefully be done by 7 o'clock this evening. So it will be breezy, a few degrees warmer out there. Low 70s to start, mid to upper 60s by the end of the game. 60s for temperatures during the game between O'Neill and Boone Central, Newman Grove in Class C1. Should be a quiet one overall, just a little on the breezy side. Looking at your game day forecast tomorrow, if you're tailgating early tomorrow morning, say 7, 8, 9 o'clock, maybe a little on the cool side in the 50s, but by the time the game kicks off there at 11, temperatures should be up into the mid-60s, mid-70s by the end of the game there for the mid-afternoon hours. But if you are heading to the game, take plenty of sunscreen out there. Plenty of sunshine going to burn you if you're not careful out there. A hat would be a good idea, especially if you're in North State and it's easy to burn out there. Even though it's not going to be warm, all that sunshine will cause a pretty nasty sunburn if you're out in it long enough. So looking at our forecast ahead of us here, again, the weekend, pretty quiet conditions, nice on Saturday, a little warmer, a little breezier on Sunday. Monday, kind of similar to Friday, and they'll have a chance of some showers and some thunderstorms out there as we get towards Monday night. The best chance will be east and south of the Tri-Cities, some severe weather a possibility, and following that cold front, a little damp out there for Tuesday, and we'll be looking at some cool conditions as well. A few degrees warmer, but still fairly cool, a little bit below average on Wednesday. As we get towards your day on Thursday, showers and thunderstorms will be a possibility once again as we warm back up into the low and mid 70s on Thursday. So there you go. There is your forecast. It looks like a great weekend ahead of us here. Really fall-like conditions over the next several days to come. Hopefully some good rain ahead, but it looks like the best chances in the southern and eastern portions of the viewing area. So there's that forecast for today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.